Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Preeti Datta. If you are watching this video, it means you guys are interested in learning English language and you also get stuck while speaking in English. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the possible reasons that can be responsible for you to get stuck while speaking in English. So let's get started. First reason why you get stuck while speaking in English is your lack of confidence about it. I know so many people who are good at it but stutter or get stuck while speaking in English. You know why? Because they have lack of confidence. You have to know and accept the fact that it's totally okay to not be perfect, to not be great at it. Your problem is pretty much relatable. Yes, trust me, it indeed is. First of all, English is just a language like French or Spanish. It's not our mother tongue. So, stammering in between sentences or losing space of words is quite common. But we can enhance our English communication skills. So, I will narrate a small story. I hope you get your answer by the end of it. So there's a baby, probably of 1 or 1.5 years old. He hasn't started yet. He can understand a few expressions and gestures of people, but he's not able to speak it. He's not able to make other people understand. What does he mean? So, what does he do? He's probably trying to link the words with the objects. But once he's 2 years old, he can let people know what does he want. He can speak a few words like chips, car, water, mama, papa, but he's not able to speak properly. Still he is observing people. But after 1 year, he is able now to speak in English. He does make mistakes, but he is now able to form a proper sentence. Even if he make mistakes, he doesn't give up. He speaks it, he imitates people. He is learning every day new words and he is very curious to know what does that mean? What does that mean? So the baby is just a resemblance of all of us. We all didn't know how to speak, but now we are all able to speak our mother tongue easily. So I will suggest you to hear English as much as you can. Make it a routine of watching English news, dramas, series, English movies, documentaries with subtitles. Make learning fun. And the most important thing is to speak a lot. Make mistakes, people will rectify you. If you have learned tenses, try to practice one tense every day. Because you know what, sometimes we get stuck while speaking, and because we think faster than we can speak, or sometimes because of our fear, we stop speaking. Don't make English learning heavier than your confidence. If you can form sentences, it means you're not at the beginner level, and also you're not advanced because you have limited vocabulary, more than 600 words. So you don't need to learn more. The first thing that you need to do is to practice whatever knowledge you have and practice speaking every day. Speaking will give you fluency, and fluency will give you confidence. And once you feel confident, then you can learn more words, new vocabularies. Otherwise it's of no use to just learn new words every day if you don't know how to use these words in your sentences. If you don't know how to speak everyday English, learning more vocabulary will be of no use. So the first thing that you need to do is to do more practice. The problem is that you didn't practice much. Take a topic every day and talk to yourself or to your friend or with anyone you feel comfortable speaking to. And you know that that person will rectify you, that person will correct you, he will understand you. Don't focus too much on grammar. Just try to speak English, try to just communicate, try to clear your message. If other person can understand you, it's more than enough at the beginner level. If you will be focused too much on grammar, that will slow down your process of learning spoken English. Write every day, try to maintain a diary, um, take a topic every day and write something about it. It will also give you confidence because it will help you to correct your tenses. So the so just try hard. Put your shyness aside. People may laugh at you. Let them do.